In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add Zoom invite to your Google Calendar. So first you want to open up your Google Chrome, then you want to go to the web store, the Chrome web store, then you want to go ahead and search for Zoom Chrome extension. Then you want to click on this one, the Zoom Chrome extension. Then just click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. And as you can see, it's already here in my Chrome. So you can just click on the puzzle piece icon over here. And you can also choose to pin that extension so that it will appear here at the top right corner. So just want to go ahead and I'll click on that extension. Go ahead and sign into Zoom. And I'm already signed in. Then just click on it again. Then click on Schedule Meeting. And as you can see, it will direct you to your Google Calendar where you can schedule your meeting. You can choose the date of the event and as well as the time. And then you just want to go ahead and click on Save. And as you can see, the Zoom meeting is already here in my Google Calendar. So you can just go ahead and copy this link and send it to anyone you want to invite. Or you can also choose to add some guests over here by writing the email of your guests so that it will send it to them directly via Gmail. The other way that you can create a Zoom event is by simply making your event link, and then as you can see, you can just simply click on make it a Zoom meeting since we already have the Zoom Chrome extension. So we just want to go ahead and click on that so it will create the Zoom meeting instead of a Google Meet conference. So it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.